These are the Syntec 7 digital multimeter. I've done a review on this one I guess about a week ago maybe. And then this one here is the older ones. These are $7 or $8 at Harbor Freight, and these ones are free. And you can see the backlight on that in a little bit. I'm outside, and it's got an orange backlight to it. And this one over here, it don't have nothing. On the inside of them, both of these do have a fuse in them. I know some of the older ones did not. They use the same battery in them. It looks like the same, everything's the same, except for maybe this spring right here. I can't see anything any different, really. They used to have ones that went across here in the older ones that would, once you accidentally messed them up, where this fuse would be, if you accidentally messed these up, it just stopped working. But these newer ones, both of them, that one has a 10 amp fuse in there, and that one has a 10 amp fuse in it. And the other ones had like a resistor in them, and after you burnt that resistor, you wasn't able to get those fixed unless you put a new one in yourself. You just have to solder it onto the board. But there's the serial number for this one right here without the backlight, and then there's the serial number and the part number for the one with the backlight. And you really can't tell them apart, other than the packaging is a little bit different. The wires are these ones are a little bit smaller than these ones. And I heard a lot of people saying a lot of bad reviews on the wires themselves. If these wires break, you can put these little bitty clamps on there, and they sell those for, I think, $5 for like 60 of them at Harbor Freight, or 30 of them. You just cut the wire right there where it's at, and use a wire stripper tool and just bend it backwards inside this metal and clamp it in there, and those will still work. And that way you'll have two different types of sets you can use. One that'll hold on to something, and the other one you can use for when you're doing battery testing and stuff like that. But that's my review on it, and thank you all, and I would appreciate it if y'all show me that you like the video. If you do, I'll keep doing reviews, which I've got other stuff to do on. That's all I've got to do today right now, so I appreciate it.